Welcome back to the Kirsty's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking off an alternator, the G-Man. He unloosened the positive terminal on the battery. Now he's unloosening the alternator. It's a tensioner? Oh, that's not what I was thinking. It's a metal rod, looks like. Right now he's just unscrewing the tensioner. What kind of tool is that? A half-inch socket.
Leave that up there because I'm gonna need that when I'm going to work.
I totally agree.
It's a half inch right here. It's a different half inch. That'll work.
It's unscrewing a piece.
You want to top both of us?
What truck? Oh, yeah, with the coat, with this, that one belt thing. That's what I learned about the one belt.
Getting this shit and everything I need. Time to go on first.
I know. You got to take it. We showed you how to take the alternator off. Now he's gonna put a new alternator on. We went and got the alternator from O'Reilly. They had it in stock. And there's a lifetime warranty on this alternator, which makes it a big plus. Hey G, say what you're doing, please, sir.
Installation.
Installing the alternator on a 2009 Toyota Matrix. You can also do the same thing on Corolla, Scion. And that's all I know.
That's tight.
Did we give us the right alternator?
Yeah. Not recommended.
No, not recommended. Do something. I can move. Back on the pulley arm. Tensioner. In older cars, you would have to be your own tensioner.
Yeah, I'm right.
Ah! Yeah. What? Now we're tightening the bottom. Tensioner. Like tightening up the tensioner. It's a lot of gnats out here. Just wear some off if you're allergic to gnats. We're not allergic to gnats. Here's this little piece. Looks like a phone jack to me.
It's just a cover. Stop anything from touching that metal.
Oh.
This goes to the battery. This your hot wire here. And this plug here.
The phone cord. What'd that do?
That's your sensor on it. That way when that motherfucker go out and it ain't charging, you can read it on the dash. That's gonna send a signal back.
But that's all it does. And that's it, right?
Yeah, hook the battery back up.
Alright, we're gonna hook the battery back up. The positive. back to here, and that's it.